to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Limited partners are referred to as LPs. They invest in venture capital funds. Just as angel investors make mistakes, so do LPs. Here's a list of LP investing mistakes. Not investing consistently. It's easy to invest when the market is up and difficult to do so when the market is down. One of the best times to invest is after the market has dropped. Investing based on track record alone. While it's a good reference point, the returns of a manager can be manipulated. Treating venture as an index fund. While an index fund model can be applied to venture capital, it yields limited returns. Focusing solely on fees. The LP receives the return minus the fees. In some cases, the return may justify those fees. Ignoring portfolio structure. LP should build a diversified portfolio of funds and startups and avoid overconcentration in a sector. Direct startup investment. While there may be opportunities that come along, it's very rare that solo investments will prove out. Avoid these mistakes in your VC investments. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.